Let's install the Oase ProfiClear Premium Compact L pump-fed filter. The Oase ProfiClear Premium Compact series are fully automatic, hands-free filtration systems that can clean and clear even the most densely stocked koi ponds. ProfiClear Premium Compact filters integrate with Oase's EGC system, which offers Wi-Fi control over pumps, filters, and lighting. The Oase Control mobile application monitors and records all filter functions, generates reports, and alerts the owner to potential issues from anywhere there's an internet connection via the Oase Cloud. The Oase ProfiClear Premium Compact, when paired with the right UVC and pump, qualifies for the Oase Clear Water Guarantee. There are two sizes, the Compact M and the Compact L. We'll be installing the ProfiClear Premium Compact L pump-fed in this video. Pump-fed filters may be plumbed to a pump in the bottom of the pond, or by an inline pump plumbed in a remote pump vault, the option that we chose for this installation. To take advantage of the Oase Clear Water Guarantee, we had a choice of 3 pumps for this project. We matched the ProfiClear Premium Compact L to an Aquamax EcoExpert 5300 12-volt pump and a Bitron C110 UV clarifier. The next step is to decide on the location and height of the filter and the placement of the return, drain, and waste lines. Begin by preparing the base to support the filter and drains. Level and tamp the soil, adding gravel or stone dust as needed to ensure a level, solid base. Pour a concrete pad or place the filter on pavers or blocks over the tamped base to provide a stable platform for the filter. With a person on each corner, lift and place the filter on the prepared stable base. Make sure the filter is level in all directions. For this installation, we'll be installing the Bitron C110 UVC clarifier on the ProfiClear. The filter pump will be connected to the intake of the Bitron, while the Bitron's two 2-inch outlets connect to the filter. First, remove one of the drum filter screens in the ProfiClear to access the sealing plugs on the inside of the filter. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the sealing plugs. Place flat washers on the necks of the Bitron's outlets and guide the outlets through the holes in the filter wall. Screw the adapters onto the threads of the outlets and hand tighten. Then screw the 30-degree inlet bends onto the adapters and hand tighten those. Make sure to position the inlet bends so that they are pointing downwards. This will help prevent overflow and reduce noise. Replace the drum filter screen. Next, plumb the filter. The order in which you plumb the lines is irrelevant. We chose to start with the dirty water and drain lines. Connect the 4-inch waste line and the 2-inch sludge drain to the waste drain pipe. In this installation, we connected the 2-inch sludge drain line to the 4-inch dirty water line with a reducing adapter. Connect the 2-inch line from the pump to the inlet of the Bitron using the included Schedule 40 2-inch union. Then connect the 4-inch return from the filter back to the pond or stream. It is critical that this line be as short and straight as possible and pitched towards the pond for proper filter operation. For proper filter operation, the moving bed needs to be aerated with an Aqua-Oxy 450. Connect the Aqua-Oxy to the Y diverter with 2 lengths of black tubing. Then attach a short length of black tubing from the Y to the white adapter. Finally, attach the piece of clear tubing to the metal aeration tube. Place the aerator in a location where it can be easily accessed for service. Fill the moving bed chamber with 1 bag of Helix 13 biomedia. Adding only 1 bag at a time allows the bacteria to properly colonize the media. Wait a week before adding additional media. 1 bag per week for proper colonization. Next, connect the internal filter connections from the rinse pump, the drum motor, and the magnetic safety switch on the cover to the microcontroller. The cables can only be connected one way. First, connect the 2-pin 12-volt line from the drum motor to the microcontroller and secure it with the locking nut. We recommend attaching the microcontroller to the filter next before making the rest of the electrical connections. The controller mounts onto cap nuts pre-installed on the side of the filter, no need for drilling. Then, connect the 4-pin cables that control the rinse pump. Remove the cap from the female 4-pin connector coming out of the microcontroller and connect it to the male 4-pin cable from the adjacent control box. Then connect the male 4-pin cable from the microcontroller to the female 4-pin cable from the control box. Finally, connect the 7-pin signal box cables to complete the filter connections. The box hanging below the microcontroller, containing the EGC connection ports, also has dedicated cap nuts below the microcontroller and can be mounted now. We are taking advantage of the Oase Easy Garden Control EGC system, which allows monitoring and remote control of all connected devices, locally or through the Oase cloud. Each device has an in and an out port. They link by cables from the out port of one to the in port of the next device. The last device in the chain gets an N resistor on the out port. To connect this ProfiClear, the last device in this system, dismount the EGC connection box and remove the protective caps on the in and the out ports. Attach the cable from the EGC module to the in port. Remove the end resistor from the EGC controller cable and install the end resistor in the out port of the connection box to tell the system to stop looking for more devices. And that's everything you need to know to install the Oase ProfiClear Premium Compact L pump-fed filter. Don't forget to like and follow us on social media. Check out our website for more in-depth information on this and all our products. See you in the next video.